Students, welcome to brainstorming classes. Today we'll be discussing river system of Assam. Now I'm moving to the next part of the video, that is Brahmaputra and Barak and its tributaries. Okay? Let us understand Brahmaputra, Barak and its tributaries. So if you can go through, then as I said, Yarlang Sangpo is or the Siangdiang, the upper course of Arunachal. Yeah, it is the upper course of the river of the Brahmaputra, and it is coming from the Arunachal. Okay. Now, after that, Lohit comes and joins Brahmaputra. And from the Dibrugarh side, as you can see, Dibang is coming and it is joining Brahmaputra. Okay. Then it becomes a big stream. You can see now, it is becoming a big stream then. Okay. Now, after that, you have Dhanchiri and Subanshiri. Subanshiri, this is the part that is not Lakhimpur or the Lakhimpur part from there. It is also coming from the Arunachal part itself, Arunachal itself, but it is one of the very large tributary of Brahmaputra, Subanshiri. Okay. So why I'm saying this, it is a very large part because Indian government is also constructing dam on it. Okay, so this is also the golden part of Brahmaputra. Okay. Now after that, this entire till now, as I said, this part is the upper part of the river. This is the upper part of the river or upper part of Assam. Okay. As the river moves further, it is coming to the lower part of Assam or the lower Assam. Okay. Then what happens? Okay. So as I said, it is after that it is coming. Then Dhanchiri is also coming and joining the river. Now you have to understand what is tributaries and what are distributaries. Now tributaries are those part which is coming and joining this big river, Brahmaputra. The small rivers, small springs which are coming and joining this big river are called tributaries. And which are distributaries? Distributaries are those parts which are divided, which are getting divided. That when the major river or the big river is getting divided and splits into two or three or four, then it is called distributed. The river itself is distributing. Okay, you understand? Now let us move into the lower part. From the lower part, then as you can see, you have Manas, Beki. Okay, it joins in the Assam, it joins the Assam. In the Assam it joins with the Brahmaputra, and then Sankosh, and this part, this side is coming and joining Brahmaputra. This side is coming from the West Bengal part, and then it is joining Brahmaputra in Bangladesh, as you can see. And Jaldhaka is also extended delta region. This is also the extended delta region. Okay. Then Putimari, Kopili, and other plateau-fed tributaries in central Assam labeled as a major tributaries. Okay, Kolong and the other branches. Okay, these are the main distributary parts. Now, if you go into the Kolong and other parts, these are the distributaries. Okay, then this side, Kolong, Kopili, this side, these are the major distributaries. Okay. Now, if I move into the Barak system, this is the Barak system, Barak River. Now, what happens? It is bold across valley near Silchar. Now, Barak is much bigger in Silchar, okay, broader. Then, okay, Barak splits into two and it becomes Surma and Kushiara, as I already said, okay, and across Bangladesh, okay. Then here are a few of the tributaries, as you can see. Okay, the small tributaries like Sonai is there. Here you can see Sonai, Ghagra. Okay, in the south, some south part of the Silchar it is coming. Then uh, Kotathal or Katathal. Okay, that is also enters the Barak Valley near the Hailakandi region. This is from this region. It is coming and joining this Patakali. Okay. Then Giri is coming from Manipur. Okay, the Giri is coming from this part. Okay, this part. Giri is coming, and Jatinga is also from this part, the Assam part. Okay, it is also uh, you know a very famous place for the birds, as you might have come across. And then you have Madhura and Rukmi. Okay, these are near Silchar. These are small tributaries, small parts. These are joining the Barak system. Now then, Barak enters in Bangladesh and goes with me. This is the entire Barak system. Okay, and the Brahmaputra system. Okay, any confusion if you have, you can let me know. And there are few left tributaries also in Brahmaputra if you go through. Like now you have to understand which are the left tributaries and which are the right tributaries. Okay, right tributaries are those tributaries which are actually coming from the Bhutan side. Left tributaries are those tributaries which are coming from the Arunachal side or the China side. Okay, so you have to understand it very clearly. Like if you go move into the left part, then you have Lhasa river coming from Tibet. Okay, you have Nyasa river from the Tibet. You have Palung Zangbo river from the Tibet, this part. Okay, this part is coming. Okay, then you have Subanshiri, as I already said. You have the Subanshiri river. Okay, then you have Kameng river, Lohit river, Dhanshiri river. Then you have Kalong river. Okay, so this is the left part. Now, if I move into the right part of Brahmaputra, then you have many rivers as such. Because the more you go to the right part of Brahmaputra, okay, so you are actually moving towards Bangladesh. Okay, then you have Manas, as I said, the Manas part coming from Bhutan Himalaya. Okay, then you have Beki. Beki is also coming from Bhutan Himalaya. Raida is coming from the Bhutan. Okay, northern part of Bhutan. Then you have Jal Dhaka River. Okay, which is coming from Sikkim Bhutan border. Okay, this is Sikkim and Bhutan border. If you can go through this, Jal Dhaka River, this part. And you have Tista. Okay, then you have Kapili, Kulshi. Okay, Dhanchiri, Krishnai, Dudhnoi. Okay, then you have Jinjiram, then you have Sankosh. These are all the paths which are coming from. Now, if I move into the Dudhnoi river, it is coming from the Garo Hills, Meghalaya. If I move into the Krishna river, then it is coming from Meghalaya. Now, you have to understand this is Krishna, Dudhnoi, Kapili. These are coming from the Garo Hills or the part of the Meghalaya. Okay, and joining Brahmaputra. Okay, then you have Jiriram and Sarkosh. So that's all I can say for the right tributaries and the left tributaries for the Brahmaputra. Okay, so I think that I have covered the entire part. Now, if you have any confusion for Brahmaputra or this part for the entire system, river system of Assam, then you can call me, or you can give your comment so that I can clarify the things. So please share my channel, okay, and press that bell icon, and like, share and subscribe my channel.